How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about commercial auto insurance and why it might seem like it is so expensive and that rates are just continuing to increase. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you find the video useful, helpful, please feel free to like, share it with anyone that you think might find it helpful as well, such as friends, colleagues, anything like that. First, insurance companies have been getting hit with more claims in general, and these claims are more severe. Repairs for vehicles cost more than ever, whether it's because the parts are more expensive, the labor's more expensive, and then just the overall time it takes to actually fix a vehicle. And then add in the fact that commercial vehicles tend to just be more expensive in general, so their overall repair costs are higher as well. All of those factor in to why the insurance companies are having to pay out more on claims, which impacts rates a ton. And then add in the fact that there are simply more accidents happening recently. A lot of it can be due to distracted driving, more people on the road since COVID. And then inflation is also having a huge impact. Everything again from those repair costs that I mentioned to medical expenses when somebody gets injured in an accident. And then legal fees are continuing to increase as well. And then more on that, we are in a more litigious environment overall. So what exactly does that mean? It means lawsuits are more common. People are more likely to sue if they are involved in an accident. And then when there is a lawsuit, the settlements tend to be higher and the jury awards are getting bigger as well. This is commonly being referred to as social inflation. And this drives up the cost for insurance companies because of the amount that they are paying out on claims, which in turn then raises premiums for everyone. So what are some things that you can do about these continuously rising commercial auto rates? Because while you cannot control the insurance market, there are some ways to help better manage your costs. First is going to be having a vehicle maintenance program in place, making sure that you're performing regular checks on all the vehicles for your business, as this can help prevent any issues from happening while they are out on the road, reducing the likelihood of an accident. Second is going to be to screen your drivers. Make sure that you are running motor vehicle record reports, also referred to as MVRs, before you list an employee as a driver and put them behind the wheel of one of your company vehicles. Next is to utilize a telematics or fleet management system. Sometimes these might not be the most cost-effective option, but depending on the stage that your business is at, it could actually help reduce costs by tracking driver behavior and just overall keeping your vehicles in check while they're on the road. And then last is to consider bundling your commercial auto insurance policy with other policies in your commercial insurance programs, such as general liability, workers' comp, if the insurance company does offer that option. You've probably heard it before, but many insurance companies do offer discounts when you have more than one policy in place with them. So if it makes sense to do so, this is another great option to help save costs and also just simplify your insurance program as a whole. Finally, with all of this, the goal is to try to prevent claims and accidents from happening in the first place. Your claims history can play a huge role in determining your rates. So a clean or improving claims record not only helps keep your costs down, but also shows to underwriters that you are serious about managing your risk. Overall, as frustrating as increasing premiums can be, insurance plays a critical role when an accident does happen. So you want to make sure that you are working with a reputable, financially stable company that does have a great claims team, solid customer service, so that you do have the resources and coverage you need when something does happen. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance program, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out directly. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.